Hi guys, Metalhead here, and today I'm back after a while, so apologies guys, I've been away from YouTube. I've been relocating from the north of England down to London, so apologies for that, but as you can imagine, it's been a really hectic time relocating down here, but I'm back now and I'm ready to show you guys some more precious metals. And today what I have here in my hand, as you can see, is the new 2022 gold sovereign, which I bought the other day from Sharps Pixley at their high street showroom, store, whatever you want to call it, located in central London, just near Mayfair. And actually that in itself was quite an interesting experience, going to the Sharps Pixley showroom. It was a bit more showy and glitzy than Baird & Co, I'd say, which is a bit more low-key at Baird & Co, I'd say. But both really good options if you're looking to buy gold, silver, platinum, whatever, over the counter in London. So anyway, without further delay, let's have a look at the coin itself. Now, because of me moving about, I don't actually have my gloves with me, so I am going to be showing you the coin inside its capsule today. It does, I think the default is the coins come in these little slips from Sharps Pixley, but they gave me a capsule, which is kind of cool, although I don't know if it's the exact right size. If you listen carefully, there's a bit of a rattle, so I don't know if it's the correct case, but either way it seems to work quite nicely. So as you can see straight away, this year for 2022, the sovereigns that the Royal Mint are producing look a little bit different, and on the front straight away you can see that the design is completely different. Actually, instead of the usual depiction of St. George the Dragon Slayer, you now have what is technically an interpretation of the Royal Coat of Arms. I don't think it's the exact same as the Royal Coat of Arms. It's kind of an interpretation by the designer, whose name is Timothy Node, I believe. And it's a really nice design. It's something a bit unique. I think that they did do this on previous Jubilees. I'm pretty sure there was one for the Diamond Jubilee. Let me know in the comment section. I'm pretty sure that's right. But it's really cool. It's a one-off piece for the Jubilee, and I think it's going to be sought after in years to come. This is the Platinum Jubilee. It's, dare I say it, maybe one of the last Jubilees the Queen will have, unfortunately, due to her age. And it's just pretty cool to get your hands on. And I was really happy to get my hands on this, and I think it's going to be collectible in the future. And of course, the coin has its usual attributes that you get with any sovereign coin. It's I think it's 22.05 millimeters diameter. Of course, it's 22 karat gold, 7.988 grams. And again, same as the gloves, if I had all my gear with me, I'd do a quick weight test, but I don't have my scales as well as my gloves. So but it should weigh 7.988 grams. And because it's 22 karat gold, that means there's roughly, or well, I say roughly, it should be exactly 7.322 grams of pure gold in this coin. And yeah, I would do a quick weight test, but I don't have my scales. And if we flip the coin onto its back, you've got the usual back of the sovereign that you would get on any sovereign. So you've got the Queen in the middle, and the fact it's the Queen written around the coin. This is actually the 5th official portrait. I was talking to the guy in Sharps Pixley the other day. He had loads of information, huge knowledge on Royal Mint coins, Canadian mint coins. He really knew his stuff, and he was telling me it's the 5th official portrait of the Queen, designed by Jody Clark. So progressively, of course, the Queen's got older and older, and this is the 5th version of that, so a little bit older than the last few. And as always, the sovereign this year will be available in lots of different sizes. So of course, this is the full sovereign, but you've also got the quarter sovereign, the half sovereign, and even the double sovereign. But I think personally, for me, I'd much rather buy the full sovereign, as you see here. And this cost me, let me just check, actually, I've got my documentation here on the side. Yeah, this cost me £342.90. So £342.90 worth of gold. And you know, when you actually work it out, it's not that much of a premium over spot. I actually made a video that looked at the premium that you pay over and above the intrinsic value of gold in a sovereign versus a Britannia. I'll link that video below in the comment section, and hopefully there'll be a little thing in the corner of the video right now I can get to pop up if you want to check that out. So yeah, I mean, there you go, guys. Hopefully, if you've not seen this coin before, that's useful to see it for real rather than just kind of seeing a still on the Raw Mint website. I hope that was interesting. Let me know in the comment section if there's any questions or any thoughts on the coin. But until next time, guys, happy stacking.